Many people are addicted to you. Your energy draws others in. People find you to be a mystery. You have an ethereal, magical, fairy-like quality to your being, to your essence. You may change your look on numerous occasions. Sometimes you could have red streaks. Other times when people see you, your hair may be blonde. For some of you, you may wear makeup, or you play up with the different colors of makeup that you wear. For others of you, you may not wear makeup. But people just feel very drawn to you, as if they're stepping into some type of magical world that you've created. People find you to be very expressive, highly intelligent. People feel like you are a master manifestor. Everything that you say you're going to do, you achieve it. You're able to bring a lot of situations and people to you. For some of you, if you set your mind on a person and say, I want to befriend that person, or I want to date that person, or I want to collaborate with that person, 9 times out of 10, you get what you want. There's a magical energy that you possess. And also, you have a lot of self-assurance, this inner knowing that we all possess, right? But there's something about you whereby once you set your mind to something, you get it. And people find this to be very enticing, okay? Wow. You have a lot of depth, a lot of emotional intelligence. People come to you for your wise counsel. And even if you're not actively giving advice, you just give off this sense of safety to people, and you allow people to open up. You allow people to express themselves. And people tell you things that they've never told anyone before, especially if they are going through a lot of anxiety. They may feel like no one will understand, but when they connect with you, they feel understood for the first time in some cases. Many people may have said to you that you will make a great counselor. Some of you could be a counselor, a doctor, a nurse, but you just give off a very nurturing and kind and compassionate energy. You're very, very creative also. And you have depth in regard to what you imagine. You know, people feel to themselves that you are so artistic, and you have that ability to bring your visualizations to life. Some of you could be great painters, artists. There's also an energy about you whereby you're always on the move. People feel very emotionally safe with you. You know, people generally feel like you are compassionate, you care, you genuinely care, because not much people in this world care. And you give people that sense of security, emotional security. Many people want to wait for you, even if they have tried to date you, befriend you, and they haven't gotten anywhere. Many people feel like you're worth the wait, like literally worth the wait. But after a while, when they realize that they're not going to get the opportunity to befriend you or date you, they become extremely upset. You are a boss. You have that energy of a leader. You are a pioneer. You're very independent. You can be eccentric in your own way. You know, you're the type of person that you like to have fun. You enjoy going out. Some people find this quality very attractive also. You give off an energy that you don't want to settle down with anyone right now. And this is very enticing to a lot of different people also. You give off this energy that you are someone that likes their independence. You're not ready to be tied down. You know, and people that you connect with, they're cool with it. They find this intriguing and they want to challenge you with this. They feel like they can be the one to make you want to settle down. You're very invested in work, in your development. You are very free-spirited, very original. You march to the beat of your own drum. You have many different friends, and a lot of people like to connect with you because you show a lot of people a new way of being. You show people that it's okay to be different. It's okay to embrace yourself and your quirks. Many people of the same gender may want to date you also. And again, they feel like they can make you settle down. They can make you change your mind. I also feel that you are very striking to look at. And then when you talk to people, people are intrigued by your eloquence. You have a very sophisticated and luxurious energy. And people see you as high caliber because you are. See, we even got the King of Pentacles. You are your own King of Pentacles. You're very self-reliant. Some of you are self-made. And you will be successful in this life. You're very well-to-do, very practical. You are the type of person that doesn't take shortcuts. You don't mind investing in yourself. You don't follow the crowd. You don't care about what this one's doing or what that one's doing. You have a very down-to-earth and graceful presence. Some of you may wear glasses. Some of you may wear suits. There's a laid-back quality that you possess, you know, and this is very intriguing to people. You give off an energy that you know yourself. Nothing or no one can sway you to be any different. For some of you, although you make enough, or although you're married, you still like to take care of yourself. For others of you, you don't brag and boast about your background. Some of you come from very wealthy backgrounds, but there's an energy of detachment from the material with you. You're the type of person that can literally purchase anything you wanted when you go out shopping, but you choose not to. Some of you choose not to speak about your worth because you're not attached to the material. Your attachment lies in your happiness, in your peace, if you're able to achieve your goals, if you're able to be the true, authentic, original, unique you, and you inspire others to do the same and be the same without realizing it. Many people are stuck on you, fixated on your energy. You make a lot of people face their shadow without realizing it. You or people that are attracted to you and addicted to your energy could be of the signs Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Aquarius, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, or Venus. Keep being the amazing you.